Good afternoon, my PE friends. Welcome. Thank you for joining me on this fine Tuesday. Hopefully you're staying warm, staying healthy. This is an announcement video for today/tomorrow, so Tuesday/Wednesday. Wanted to keep you guys informed about things that are going on. Been getting some questions about how assignments are going to look when they're due, how will they be graded, how do I even do this assignment. So I wanted to address things like that and allow kids to get the technology that they needed to pick up today from the school, and hopefully everybody's ready to go for the rest of the week. Obviously, grading is going to be a little bit different now that we're in this digital era. So obviously we can't grade you on your heart rate monitors anymore. So we are just basically interested in what you are doing and the things that you are doing to stay active and to stay healthy during this time of quarantine. Just like I said, just interested to see how they're benefiting you as well. And you're going to have to do that through videos and pictures. Whatever the assignment may be or the activity may be, you just want to see video or picture evidence of you doing that and how is that benefiting you and your health. So with that being said, the assignments that I post, I'll be doing most likely a couple a week. Those will be due at the Sunday at the end of that week. That way you get a whole week to get it done. Don't want to stress you out with due dates. We know you got a lot of other classes to worry about. So I wanted to talk about this first assignment that I posted yesterday. And basically, this is how I'll probably run it from here on out. I will have a virtual lesson, which is right here. You will watch that. Then, after you watch that video or the virtual lesson, there will be a question assignment posted directly below that. This was the video, the virtual lesson. This is the question that I wanted you guys to answer. So, wanted you to post a video or picture of you guys being active and a short explanation of what you were doing and how that helped you over this past week or over the past spring break, like the benefits of your mental, emotional, social, physical health. How did that help you? So not just a video, I need an explanation, a description of exactly what you're doing, how it helped you. So you can see here, a couple of the kids have done that. A lot of kids have posted videos and pictures. Couple kids, let's see, Caleb Christensen, going to use you as an example, my friend. Hopefully that's okay. But as you can see in the left-hand corner here, he posted a description. I was jumping on my trampoline and doing trick shots to help my mental health because it keeps me focused on one thing. Perfect example. Let's check out the video. Matter of fact, we don't have to check out the video. That was a great example. He has a video of himself doing the activity and the description at the bottom. So that's what I would like to see. Hopefully that gives you guys a little bit better idea of how this is going to be ran. Make sure you read the entire question, the entire description of the assignment. That way you're not getting confused. If you are getting confused about anything, feel free to hit me up on the Parent Square or my email. And also, if you ever need to video chat or have a conference, Zoom call, or whatever the means may be, I will be available 8 to 11 every morning, and I will be checking my emails and stuff like that throughout the entire day. So I will get back to you with those the same day, if not the next day. So if you have any questions, let me know. Stay healthy, stay active, stay humble, keep it real. All right, guys. See ya.